Okay, you.
Needs to be closer. The AC is running, so the sound quality isn't that great, but we're working in a heat wave. We need the AC.
Yes, sorry. Sorry about the sound.
Yeah, I'll subtitle it if needed.
Right. But now that we have new floors, time to start moving everything back.
Yeah.
So we're going to start by putting the bookshelves back in place because they have to be screwed to the walls.
Yeah.
And then we'll take it from there.
Yep.
Here we go.
Okay. So this one we're just parking for now?
Yes. Just turn it around. Whoa. So swing this, okay, go right. Oh. This is going up against that way. So now what I'm going to do is go that way. So all we have to do is pivot. No. Right. Hold this wrong way. There's this, okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tip to you and you evacuate this half.
Yeah.
And look at me getting all organized. I have a container just for Tapcon screws. Yay! And the step ladder is.
Oh.
Most everything runs on wheels. It's not a big deal. Don't give them to me.
I'm just holding on to them.
You want the first?
No, it's not. Actually, right.
No? Well, it's a little bit, but very little.
Our place here, there's nothing straight. The wall isn't straight, the floor isn't straight. It's an awkward shape. So every time lining up is very important. Ready?
Yeah.
From here?
No, well, from the outside, no. That way,
There's
yes.
no room.
Huh?
There's no room.
Really?
Yeah. I can show you that, but there's nothing here for me to put under.
Really? Okay, well then.
It could be this conduit that you put in. No.
Well, I'll attach it to the wall first.
You can probably bring it forward because this is further back than this.
Can you just grab the shelf and pull it forward just a snick?
Okay, I need you out of the way because I need to sit in a weird way. Okay, that's lined up. Is that lined up?
You know what I'm gonna do?
What if you try to lean it back now?
Pardon?
What if you try to lean it back now? Yeah, I can do a shim here.
Okay, put it in. Okay, and then you mean you can't get a shim in that soft? You can. Really? I would swear I was doing more than.
You were.
Oh, it's torquing. It's torquing, that's what it is. So, I think what I need to do,
Is first.
I need to screw it.
Yeah. I can put a shim down there.
Oh! Why was that not here? No. Ooh, that snugged it. That snuggled it nicely.
It did.
Ooh.
Little to no gaps now.
Yeah. But, mom.
That did it.
Mommy, mommy.
All right.
These guys aren't going nowhere.
They are now secure.
So that'll be it for tonight. And tomorrow we'll grab the last two cabinets. Two?
That
Three.
one,
Three
three.
cabinets.
That's the last bookcase.
Go over here and then we'll be ready to unpack again.
Not quite. The IKEA stuff.
No, unpack the book stuff
Yeah. So,
if we want.
who likes
We'll do
to
that
unpack? If you like to unpack, let us know. We'll call you over.
Let's make sure the electricity's on. Power is off. Turn the power on and wait for the earth shattering boom.
Ta-da!
Whoa!
Think it's bright enough?
What an ugly light.
Yeah. Wow, it's so orange. Can't see it on camera because the camera's color correcting, but it's butt ugly orange.
Yeah, should she find a different light bulb?
Well, that's good enough for now. So that didn't work. Light swung away. Snot tape didn't work over there. These are LED lights. These are not tungsten, so they're not hot. It just didn't quite stick. So we are going to put it here? Over here?
No, I'm going to put it on the ceiling. I'm just going to use more snot tape.
Snot tape.
It's the solution for everything.
Is it the tape of the gods? With the iPhone, you can see how yellow-orange these bulbs are.
Oh my God, they're horrible.
And what are they called? Soft white?
Soft white.
Nope, it's pea orange. Okay, round two.
At least the bulbs don't smash. They're just plastic.
Do you think we'll wake up in the middle of the night and hear a crash?
Probably.
Well, that's comforting.
However, these might become our permanent fixtures because I may never get them down. Yes,
Oh,
we pulled on the snot tape and the whole balcony dropped.
All right, well, temporary kitchen lights.
That.
Can we order dinner now?
Oh, yes.
I'm trying. Give me a, just.
Okay, all the bookcases are now back. Rob is just putting some cold drink together for us to take a quick break, and then we're gonna start putting the books and stuff back in. Sounds good, Rob?
Sounds like a plan.
Okay. Yep. Well, let's just bring the...
Yeah, no, I mean,
Yeah, you're good. Yeah.
I don't like keeping going for a bit. Hi. It's late at night, so I'm talking a little quietly. Nadia's upstairs asleep, and I'm just gonna try and get the last of these boxes unpacked so we're free and clear in the morning. Well, that's one more job completed. We've now moved back in. We moved out, moved everything over there. Now we've moved back in. Yeah, we were joking today. I was joking with Nadia saying, it feels like we haven't really done anything except that underfoot we have beautiful new flooring and the kitchen is ready to receive IKEA, which is coming tomorrow. And we'll put together those cabinets and make our beautiful island in the kitchen. So that's all for now. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.
Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, and Rob gave me a lovely surprise this morning. He emptied out pretty much the rest of the green bins and filled in the china cabinet with all the glassware. I need to do those myself because those are the sourdough baking supplies, but it was so sweet of him. It's great when you have a partner, a friend, someone you just really click with when you're living with that person, that you're able to have wonderful surprises like this. Today is my busy day. I have to work on a video for you guys, the next part of our Kitchen Reno series. So I'm really appreciative that he did the rest of the stuff for me, and I didn't hear a thing last night. I don't know how he did it. We don't have much of a barrier between our bedroom and our living area, so I didn't hear a thing. That's impressive when you're unwrapping paper and putting away glassware.